This is going to clear your knuckles, guys. Trust me. You see this? It is going to work if you use it the way I'm teaching you guys. I made a video on how you can safely get rid of your dark underarm, your dark inner thigh, your dark knuckles, or if you have black legs or black hands. And in that particular video, I actually showed you guys a particular product, a cleanser to be precise, that you can use in order to get rid of your knuckles and black legs or black hands or black elbows or black knees. When I made that video, I was not having that product to show you guys physically. I only showed you guys the picture. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you guys the product. I'm going to show you guys how you can safely clear your dark knuckles, your dark knees, your dark elbow, or if you have a very stubborn hands and legs, like those type of hands and legs that any products that you use, no matter what you do, they don't normally respond to that particular treatment. Like any part of your body normally respond, but your hands and your legs will always be black and your knuckles are very, very stubborn. Then this video is for you. You want to watch this video to the end, because I'm going to be showing you guys how you can clear that your dark legs and dark hands, how you're going to blend your legs and your hands using just 2 products, and I'm going to show you guys how to use it. So I don't want this video to be too long. Without taking much of your time, let us go straight to the point. The first product you're going to be needing, and the first thing you want to be doing if you want to safely get rid of your dark knuckles or dark elbow or dark knees or dark legs, if you want your hands and your legs, your elbow and your knees to blend with the other part of your body, the first thing you want to make sure you're doing is you want to make sure that you are exfoliating. So I'll be recommending this particular Dove exfoliating body polish for you guys. You're going to get this body polish, and then you're going to get it with this glove sponge. I have one here. Let me show you guys. You're going to be getting a very good, it must not be this body polish or body scrub, guys. You can get any body polish of your choice, but please, guys, do not use salt scrub for this particular remedy. Use any other scrub, but do not use salt scrub. You can use any emulsifying scrub, you can use any sugar scrub, but you see salt scrub, guys, please stay away from salt scrub, because if you use salt scrub with this cleanser I'm going to show you guys, it's just going to make it worse. So you're going to be scrubbing those knuckles or your black legs and black knees 3 times in a week. Now let me show you what to do. What you're going to do is, before you scrub, you're going to get warm water in a bucket or a bowl that your hands and your feet can go in, or you get a small one so that you will sit on a chair. You will soak your hand in that warm water, okay? Then you will soak your feet in the bucket. The one that you'll be using to soak your feet should be down. Then you can get a small bowl and soak your hand in that one. You're going to allow it to stay there for at least 5 minutes. Don't rush. You can do this particular remedy I'm showing you guys in the evening, so that you'll have enough time to do it. And it's only 3 times in a week you're going to be doing this. So you're going to soak your hands and your feet 3 times in a week. And let's assume you've chosen to be soaking your hands and your feet Saturdays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Now, on Friday, after soaking your hands and your feet, you're going to get your scrub, any scrub of your choice, okay? Then you're going to use it to scrub. After taking your hands and your legs out of the water, you're going to go ahead and scrub them, okay? After scrubbing now, the following day, we're starting on Saturday, right? The following day, after soaking your hands and your feet in warm water and scrubbing, the following day you're going to get this cleanser that I'm going to show you guys. This white paper cleanser, look at it. Let me show you guys. You guys should have a closer look. Hope you guys can see it very well. See, if you can take a screenshot, you're going to get this cleanser, this white paper cleanser. This cleanser contains glutathione and titanium. Titanium is a form of SPF. We all know that anything that has to do with hyperpigmentation or coloration, anything that has to do with dark spots, sunburn, if you are not adding a very good sun protection, it's not going to work. So titanium protects you from the harmful rays of the sun. Your hands and your legs are getting darker because you are not using SPF in that particular area. So the people that did this particular cleanser were smart enough. This is actually a Gluta+Titanium cleanser. You guys can see it well. Hope you guys can see it. It contains glutathione and titanium. The glutathione will be brightening those areas, while the titanium will now help to protect your knuckles and your legs or your hands from that harmful rays of the sun that can make those areas even more darker. So you're going to get this. You're going to be using this one 2-3 times in a week. After soaking your legs, you use your scrub to exfoliate those areas. Then the following day now, which is Sunday, you're now going to get a cotton pad or a cotton wool. You're going to take a little amount of this and soak it in that cotton wool. Then you're going to use it to, gently clean those areas that are dark, whether on your hands or your feet or your knees or your elbow. So you're going to use that cotton pad and this cleanser and massage that place. You're going to do it last thing before you go to bed. When you're done taking your bath, maybe you've applied your body lotion, get your cotton pad and then you massage it on those areas that are dark. Don't apply it all over, only those areas that are dark. Now, for those people that their knuckles or their black legs, black feet, or dark elbow or dark knees was caused by a bleaching cream, you have to stop using that cream if you want this remedy to work for you. Because if you don't stop using it, it's not going to work for you. But there are people that naturally they have these knuckles, like no matter what they do, the knuckles are always there. So you can just go ahead and use this particular remedy. This is going to clear your knuckles, guys. Trust me. You see this, it is going to work. If you use it the way I'm teaching you guys now, if you use the soaking of feet and soaking of hand method, and then you follow it up with the exfoliation, and then the following day, you now use your cotton pad and apply this on those areas that are black. If it's the whole of your hands that are black or the whole of your legs that are black, apply the cleanser with the cotton wool in the whole of your hands. But if it's only knuckles that you're working on, just apply it at those areas that are dark. Then apply on your elbows and on your knees. And that is it. You're good to go, guys. Guys, let me show you guys again. Have a closer look. The name is white paper, Gluta+Titanium multi-collagen. So it even contains collagen, guys. It's going to help to improve your skin elasticity and also reduce the pigmentation of those places. So this is it. Okay, if your knuckles is very chronic, you can include this and probably maybe any products that contains all those safe hydroquinone products. You can include it in the routine. So you'll be adding the hydroquinone only once in a week and only apply only on those areas that are black, those areas of your knuckles that are black. Then you use this 3 times in a week. Then you exfoliate 3 times in a week. Do not exfoliate the same day and then use this cleanser the same day. No, you're going to share the days, like Monday to 7 days in a week, right? Just share it in a way that the day that you're exfoliating is not the same day that you're using this. You can exfoliate maybe on a Sunday, then the following day you will now apply your cleanser. Then you rest on a Monday, okay? Then on Wednesday you can still repeat it again and then you apply your cleanser. Then you find a day within those days as your resting day. Then one of the days you can include hydroquinone. That is if your own is a very chronic, like as bad as this, you can add hydroquinone to your routine. But if not, guys, just stick to these 2 products that I showed you guys. Try it and come back here. You can get this product in any cosmetic shop around you. Look at the name again, white paper. It is very, very affordable. Very, very affordable. You can get it for 3 to 4,000 naira, highest 5,000 naira, depending on your location, right? So just go ahead and try this remedy, guys, and let me know. That brings us to the end of this video, guys. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. And if you're still yet to subscribe, please, guys, kindly subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it at the comment section. I'll be there to reply to you guys and attend to you guys. See you guys in our next video. Bye.